Hi guys, I know some people are having issues getting videos up, so I just wanted to share a video as to how to do it, just to make it a little bit easier, and hopefully figure things out so we can get it all done and everyone can do it correctly. So I'm doing mine from my iPad. You can do it from your phone. If you have an iPhone, you can AirDrop, which is you push that little share button right up here. So, whoops, excuse me, I'm gonna share it, and then you just push AirDrop. This is going directly to my computer, which is right over there. And so I push that, it'll wait, and you'll hear a little noise over at your computer. So now I'm gonna go over to my computer. You'll see right here, it says the AirDrop. If you don't have this, you can just email it to yourself using the same thing. I'll go back and do that in just a second. So you accept, you don't wanna open in Photos, you wanna save to downloads. It's going to, as you can see, load. Then once it's loaded, you want to open it. Save it as whatever you want to save it as. So I'm going to save mine as letter K, handwriting. Excuse me. Writing. Sorry, I'm using one hand to do this and the other to not. So push enter, now it's saved. You're gonna go down here to your Finder, open him up, and it should, as you can see, be right here. So then you wanna click out of this, go to your YouTube. You're gonna click this little camera guy right here, upload the video. It's gonna go right here. You'll go back to your Finder, find the video you want, and then you can drag it over and it will download. Here you can see that it already called itself what I wanted it. It's going to take a little while to upload. Once it's done, you press, it's processing the video, you want to let it finish. And I know this is taking a second, I just want to show everyone. Once it's done, you'll press next down here. And while it's processing, if you want to put in the title, like I said, and if you want to do a description, so I could write how to write the letter K, if that's what I would write. I don't have two hands right now, so I'm not going to. So as you can see, my video has downloaded and processed completely, so now I can push the next button. I have to say, is this made for kids or no? Obviously it's for a kid, so we're gonna write yes. Then we'll go to this next button and it will add a few things. I just say next, you don't need to add any of that. You do want to make it public so that people can see it, but most people won't be able to see it unless they have the link, which you can see right here. So it's published, so I'm pushing the publish button. And now here's the link, so I want to click on it. Oh, excuse me, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to double click it. Nope, sorry. Aha, that's the button. Okay, you click this button, sorry. And it is now copied, so you can go to ClassDojo or wherever you wanted to put it. So if I wanted to put it in my ClassDojo, my story, I would command paste. And there that's the link, and I can send it to whoever I want to send it to. All right, hope this helps.